Welcome back to She Speaks AI, where we make tech simple and creative for all my DIY entrepreneurs out there. Today, I'm going to show you something that's about to level up your Canva game. Have you ever created something amazing on Canva and wanted to share it with your clients, team, or audience as a reusable template? Well, in this video, I'll show you exactly how to create a shareable Canva template link in just a few simple steps. So grab your coffee, open up Canva, and let's get into it.
Hey, what's up, guys? Just wanted to share something. I thought that most people are aware of how to do this, but as I'm in and out of groups, I'm finding that people are not do not know how to do this. And so what's happening is that when you are sharing from Canva, people are sharing their original file links, and then you're sharing them to people and they go and they make changes. And so it's a changing your original file. I'm going to show you the proper way to share your template links. And that's exactly what it is. It is a template link. So Canva offers you the ability to share the link. And when you share the link to the template, then you don't need to worry about anyone changing your original file. One thing to note is that if you make changes to the template, it will change the template for everyone. So just make note of that when you're making that change, if you go in there to make a change, it's going to make the change for everyone. Okay. So here I have a document that I would like to um, create a template to share with the community that they will be able to take and put it into Canva or bring it up in Canva and then make changes so that they can make changes for their own brand the same way that I did. And so let's say that I am ready to go. And now all I need to do is to create my link. I want to hit this share button up here in the right-hand side. And then I am going to click on see all. See all. And what I'm looking for is the option that says template. So now I'm not looking for a brand template, okay? But I'm looking for a template link, a template link. Most often what I'll see people is they'll share the link to the original document, or they'll share the public view link, which doesn't allow you to make changes. The public view link is just that, to view. But I want you to be able to make changes to this document because it is a MRR or PLR document, which means I'm giving it to you. And so you'll be able to update that and then either sell it or give it away in your community. And so here's what I'm going to do. Press the template link. And then it asks me, it tells me exactly what's happening. Anyone with this link can use this design as a template. Sign in is required. You won't know who's made copies of the design. So they could essentially go and, and give you a link out. And, hey, it is what it is. People do what they do. I'm not one to police people who are unscrupulous or lack integrity. Okay. So ain't nobody got time for all that. Anyway, so you can learn more there, but basically you're going to say, and then just to note, this link can be deleted at any time. So you can delete the link. But this is how we share our links. And so you can create whatever you want and then share that out as a link, as a template. So now, if I just click create template link, it tells me that link was copied to the clipboard here. So I don't even need to copy it, but this is the link. So canva.com/design and then all these letters. Now I could click copy, but I don't need to click copy because it is already sharing that link. Now, hopefully, when I switch over, I'm going to switch over to this other screen and I'm going to paste it so you can see what it looks like. So now when I did that, it says a template was created by Tisha D. Colson, was shared with you. Start designing now. And it gives the person the ability to flip through the pages of the document, okay? And then it gives them the ability to, well, for me, because I am the owner and I'm signed in, it's giving me the ability to edit the template. But for anyone else, it's going to give you the ability to use the template for a new design. And when you do that, it'll open up in a new design and it will, for you, and it will show copy of and whatever the title of it is. So that's it in a nutshell. You can delete the template link and then re-add a new one. But that's how you do it. Now, let's say that you uh, you forgot you want to go grab the link. I don't have the link. I need to go grab the link. The same link is still there. I still press share. And most oftentimes I don't even need to go to see all. It's going to show you that the template link is live. The template link is live. So I click on that and then I can go and grab and copy this again. Let me know what questions you have. But yeah, don't be out there sharing your originals now. Share the template link. See you later.